TBK-208C Laminating Defoamer.
15-inch tablet capable of fit and defoaming. Plug in the power cord. Plug in the vacuum pump plug. Connect the vacuum pump air pipe. Turn on the vacuum pump switch. Connect the air compressor pipe. Plug in the air compressor power socket. Turn on the power supply and open the air valve. Set vacuum pressure -90 to 80 time. Setting the bonding temperature. Set the bonding pressure parameters. Straight screen auto fit. Special down bonding. Select the fitting pressure of the corresponding model. Start bonding. Perfect fit, no bubbles. LCD alignment. Put it into the laminating machine for laminating. A tiny bubble. Put it into the defoaming bin for defoaming. Set the defoaming time to 300 seconds. Press the start button. Complete defoaming. Perfect defoaming. Curved surface screen auto positioning. Stick together with a sticking sponge. Perfect without defoaming after bonding. Perfect without bubbles. Align LCD. Put on the sponge LCD for vacuum bonding. Select the fitting pressure of the corresponding model. There is basically no air bubble after bonding. Start defoaming. Complete defoaming. Perfect, no bubbles. Thank Thank you.